Oh, hey, here's some warm.
Good morning, fans. We're here on this Monday evening.
It's Tuesday.
No, it's Monday, bro.
Oh, shit, alright.
We're building a welder cart because I keep dropping my thing and breaking regulators. So, yeah, this is an old creeper, and this is the remains of that shelf over there screwed in on the studs on one side. So, dude, it's mint.
Today our project is turning a creeper into a welding cart.
I already modified it, turned this little 90 and back a little bit.
What you doing, mate?
I'm here fitting rectangles together in a level fashion, sorta. It's not actually level, but it's alright. Hang on, now it needs to be level here, Johnny boy.
It's a nice view. I like this view.
I shaved my tummy.
Did you?
And everything but my mustache. Oh, I got a hole in my pants and a saddle on my face. But over here, it's pretty close to level. Listen, we're working with what we got here. So yeah, we got some awful fit ups here. You know, this is like a 40-year-old shelf, and the welder split guts right through it. Just a couple more welds, and then we're gonna call it a night and pick back up. Well, I guess for you guys it'll be a couple seconds, but for us it'll be a while.
Man, I'm not touching it anymore. Keep the glasses on for sure.
How do I look?
God, when you have like the side profile, you get a little bit of cheek fat. It just really accents the glasses and mustache.
Really? Alright, fans. This is a little sneak peek of what this cart's gonna kind of look like. We got a bunch of sheet metal from my broken TIG welder. That's gonna connect to our extended boy here. It's gonna be welded via this, and we're gonna have a nice curve in there. It's gonna give some love to this here welding thing. Papa's gonna give you CFA.
It's sleeting quite hard outside.
Oh, that's sleet. Yeah, it's sleeting pretty good.
Mild sketch energy.
Good morning, fans. I know you're really interested in the build and all that stuff that's going on right now. We just got some fresh powder here, bud, and I think we need to do some mid-2000s shitbox power sliding.
£4,500 wagon! That was fucking majestic. That was majestic. That looked like Shamu doing a fucking tap dance, bud. Okay, Hardo. Fans, I'm cold. My Florida blood is not a fan of this. Bystander. Oh, he got some real angle. Oh, he spun out. Oh my God, he's got some speed going.
Good morning, all you cool cats and kittens. Today, we're doing the same thing as yesterday. But for you, it only took 30 seconds.
And some drifting.
So we're gonna finish up the structure of the welding cart today. Remember, always use a guard on your angle grinder. I can't find mine.
Wait, look at the camera wink. Thank you. That's gonna be important. Well, that Jones on there.
That'll be more on the inside. That'll hold the welder up, and we'll get, you know, just angle iron on each side so it doesn't fall over.
All right, let's get to it. Fans, this is the first time ever I'm not welding in floppies.
Key to any good paint job is prep. So let's go ahead, half-ass the prep on this, and see how terrible it comes out.
becoming a fabricator. Wow. Please like and subscribe. We'll have a new video for you next week. If you like this video, baby Grant will kiss you.